Alright guys, so I just left Most Performance right now. I got the parts already, I picked them up. I'm about to drive to the shop and get the work done, but before I do, let me go ahead and show you the parts that I got. Alright guys, so as you can see, that is a 15-inch conversion kit for the truck. So we're gonna be running 15s on the back of the truck. It's gonna look very sick. Matt was also kind enough to go ahead and sell me this diff cover that he had at the shop. He no longer needed it, so go ahead and put this diff cover on the back. Alright YouTube, so I finally made it home. I'm tired. We got up really early to do this, but I'm finally home. I'm about to show you the end result. The truck is super dirty, so don't mind it. But I'm about to show you the end result, show you to the bottom of the truck so you can see it. They look really, really nice. I can't wait to throw some 15s on there, some Bogarts or something, and it'll look a lot better with them on. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright guys, here they are, some Wilwoods. Don't mind the wheels, like I said, they're dirty and ugly and chipped and all that, but let's look at it. And there they are, 15-inch conversion.
That motherfucker looks good.
You like that truck?
Yeah, yep.
And I also got the diff cover right there installed. Looks super nice actually. Now it looks like an actual race truck. But yeah, like I said, don't mind the undercarriage right now, it's all dirty. Wilwood 15-inch conversion and the red, so it matches the truck color. That is it for today's video, guys. I am Poor Man's RT. I'm gonna hit you up on the next one. Please subscribe, like this video, share it. Go to my Instagram and follow me there, Poor Man's _RT. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.